Oh, shit.
The 3 most dangerous species of sharks. Number 3, the bull shark. The bull shark is known for its aggressive and unpredictable nature. It's highly territorial and often involved in attacks on humans due to its ability to swim in shallow waters and during seasons when people tend to swim. Number 2, the tiger shark. This shark is renowned for its curiosity and tendency to bite to test what it encounters, which unfortunately for us can sometimes be a human. It is easily recognized by the vertical stripes running along its body, hence its name. Furthermore, it tends to swim in shallow waters, which can put it in direct contact with humans. Its broad diet, including virtually anything in its path, makes it particularly unpredictable. Before revealing the number 1, remember to subscribe and like the video. Number 1. The great white shark. Considered the greatest predator of the oceans, the great white shark is certainly terrifying. It can measure up to 20 feet long, possesses 300 teeth, and it is the only shark that can lift its head out of the water to observe its surroundings. It's responsible for the highest number of unprovoked attacks on humans. The great white shark is a top predator in the food chain. So, what would you do if you saw one of these sharks approaching while you were swimming? Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.
It bit me in the stomach first, and right as it bit me in the stomach, I shoved my arm like where it was biting me, so it didn't get my stomach and it got my arm instead. And then I hit it with my other hand, like hit its nose or its face or something.
Ella Reed, a rising 8th grader, now on crutches, but recovering after sustaining bites to her torso, arm, finger, and even knee after a shark struck out of nowhere. It then circled back and attacked her again.
I remember just like breathing really heavily, and then when it like latched onto my stomach, not being able to breathe at all because I was just like, what the heck is happening?
Running on pure adrenaline, Ella fended off what she believes was a bull shark before springing out of the water and FaceTiming her family.
At first I thought she was joking, actually, and then she says, "I'm not joking," and she took the camera and she panned it on her body. I kind of just froze and freaked out. Her first thing was to tell her friend to run, not ask for help.
Worst shark attacks on humans.
The man was kayak fishing just off the coast of the Hawaiian island of Maui on Monday morning when he was attacked by a shark. Washington State resident Patrick Briney and a friend were fishing for bait fish when Briney dipped his right leg into the ocean. An unknown type of shark then attacked the fisherman, biting off most of the man's lower leg and foot. Briney called for help and was assisted by his friend in a nearby kayak. He was taken to shore by a snorkeling boat. He was pronounced dead shortly after arriving at hospital. Hawaiian state officials say there's been an increase in the number of shark attacks near Maui this year, and they're launching a study to help identify possible causes.
Steph, I spoke with Pat Briney's older brother, Will, today. He describes his brother as an active, free spirit who loved being out on the water, but says Monday was one of the first times Pat had ever been kayak fishing.
2 seconds.
Get him, get him, get him, get him!
Give me that shit back! He's right here. All you. That was fucking intense. I got it.
Oh, the shark.
Shark!
Free spool, maybe.
No, the shark's got him. Fuck. Shark's got him.
It's too late now.
Tax man, boy!
Sometimes tiger sharks can be persistent. So this is Kaylee redirecting this individual here, and then the same shark comes right over to me and I need to push her off as well. After following through with her, the shark actually turns back and goes right towards Kaylee again. Kaylee is ready to redirect her, and here she goes, pushing her down again. And then here the shark does a bit of a loop, actually looking around her surroundings, kind of deciding where she wants to go and what she wants to check out next. She begins to get closer to me and it looks like she's going to swim by me, but last minute here she comes back over and wants to examine me one more time. And believe it or not, she still goes right back over to Kaylee again as well. This is why we always need to be alert when working with these sharks, because you never know how many times they will want to check you out.